Hello, good day everyone. This is Dr. Job Domingo will discuss about rational expressions. I'm from Mathematics Department, Faculty. Let's discuss operations on fractions. In this lesson, we will consider multiplication and division first before we discuss addition and subtraction. Multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction are called fundamental operations because they are the most basic in our computations. These are also most widely used in our daily activities, especially in our businesses. In dealing with fractions, it is always a common practice to reduce them to lowest terms. First, we have multiplication. Now, we are going to illustrate using examples. Now, we have example number 1. Negative 4 times negative 10, we have positive 40. Note, when there is no visible operation between parentheses, this means multiplication. Number 2, we have negative 4 times 20 is equal to negative 80. Number 3, we have 3/4 times 7 over 2 is equal to 21 over 8. Now, in dealing with fractions, we have to consider multiplying the numerators. 3 times 7 is equal to 21. And then we multiply the denominators. 4 times 2 is equal to 8. Note, when we multiply their numerators and then we multiply their denominators for fractions, multiplication of fractions, the result would be the numerator and denominator respectively of the product. Number 4, we have negative 5 over 2 times 4/3. Now, we simply multiply the numerators. 5 times 4, we have 20. Now, the sign is negative, so we can put the negative here. We have 2 times 3 is equal to 2 times 3, and that is 6. You can place the negative sign in the numerator or in the denominator or to the middle of this, the same. Then we reduce to lowest terms. We have negative 10 over 3. For division, we have number 1, 3/4 divided by 5 over 4. Now, what we are going to do is simply to take the reciprocal of 5 over 4. So, we have 4 over 5 and then proceed using multiplication. Now, 3 times 4, we have 12. 4 times 5, we have 20. Now, reduce to lowest terms. That means 3/5 or 3 over 5. Because with 12 is divisible by 4. 20 is divisible by 4. So, we take 4 in the numerator, we take 4 from the denominator, and what we have is the reduced terms, 3 over 5. Now, for number 2, we have 3 halves divided by negative 4 over 5. Now, the same principle, we have to take the reciprocal of this. Take note, only this, not this one, okay? Only this. So, we have 3 halves times negative 5 over 4. Then, we proceed to multiplication. We have negative 15 over 8. Now, there is no common factor between 15 and 8. So, this must be in reduced terms. Thank you. See you in the next lecture video. This is Job Domingo. Dr. Job Domingo will discuss to you the next topic.